Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a TikTok pixel to your Shopify website. So here you can see that I am on the home page of my Shopify website. So first you need to go to your apps and then here you need to search for TikTok and then click enter. This will open up a new window and here you will see a TikTok app. Simply click on it and then click on add app. So it will open up a new window. Here you need to click on add sales channel. So it will get the access. Now here you need to set up the channel. You need to click on setup now and here you need to connect your TikTok business account. So first you need to go to business.tiktok.com. Here you will need to convert your regular account to your business account. You can do that easily. Here are the steps. So once you have done that, you need to click on connect and then simply click on connect. Since I have already logged into my TikTok business account, you can see that I have the same ID. So click on connect. So this will give the access of my Shopify website to TikTok account. Here you need to create a new TikTok ads account. So here you can see that I have connected my TikTok ads manager account. Now you need to click on maximum in the data sharing section. So this will maximize the campaign performance. So once you have done that, click on confirm and then click on setup. Here you need to enter your business address, then click on confirm. Once you have completed these steps, you need to click on finish setup. So this will take up to 24 hours and TikTok will verify after that. So now if you want to verify that you have connected your Shopify correctly, for that you need to hover your mouse to assets and then click on events. Here you need to click on web events and here you need to make sure that you are getting the same TikTok pixel Shopify ID. And here you can see that I have created just now. This is how you can verify that you have created the right TikTok pixel for your Shopify website. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next tutorial.